Hello everybody. Okay, what we're doing here, it's doing the full maintenance on this fjr1300. We're going to inspect the front brakes, the rear brakes, grease the bearings, the front and the back, and also we're going to change all the fluid. This bike has over 40,000 miles on it, and the owner has been running hard. As right now we are in July, and I think he already got over 7,000 miles this year. So change the front tire, it's pretty bad. Changing this